Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy. Alright guys, so believe it or not, as soon as I got my daytime running light socket replaced and spliced back in there, hopped in the truck, rolled down the back windows, heard a clunk when I rolled down the passenger side rear window, and it wouldn't roll back up. So, yep, out here getting the window regulator looked at. So I'm gonna take a look at it, but I'm pretty sure this cable is supposed to route maybe up back side like this one is plugged in here. Cable comes all the way up, wraps around that little regulator there, but looks like maybe this one just it fell out or something. It's got a little ball on the end there that I think locks into something, but I don't know. Now I got to pull it out and look at it and see what's going on. I thought about just pushing the window up and locking it in place with one of these and just leaving it like that for the night, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull the regulator out of there and take a look at it, see if I can't fix it myself, and if not, I'll just, like I said, I'll push the window up there, lock it on there with that suction cup, and then let it ride like that until I get the new regulator in. That thing holds pretty good. I've used it multiple times to replace windows, so let me go ahead and get the regulator pulled out. It's just a few bolts in the corners and holding the window on, so get that taken off. All right, so I was taking a look at this, and it looks like that's what happened. Is this little ball, I think, was set in here, and somehow it popped out. I don't think I'm gonna be able to stretch it enough to get it set back in there. I might be able to. I'm gonna give it a shot, but if you look there, you can see that's kind of the same way this one is set up, but just gotta make sure this stuff is routed around here when you go back in with it. That's supposed to be, yeah, this little piece is supposed to go in here. Cable routes around. You've got one on each end, each corner basically, but I'm gonna see if I can pull this down. Hey, there we go, but now I'm not gonna be able to reach that in, most likely. I'm gonna mess around with it, see if I can get it together. Alright, I think I did it, y'all. I had to use this clamp to pull this all the way back against the stop right here. I used a combination of these pliers and I used the punch to kind of pull with the pliers and pushed with the punch to get it over that lip. As soon as it got over that lip, it kind of fell down in place right there. And I used this punch right here to scoot this bracket up a little bit. I just stuck it through that hole, put it up a little bit, so now on all four corners should have this sitting in its resting spot. All of these cables sitting where they're supposed to be. I don't know how that broke and fell out of its spot, but it's on there now. That's where it's supposed to be. I got those two cables there wrapped around over here. So I think this will probably be good to go back in the truck. So let me go ahead and put this back together, and I'll get back with you when I got it back in the truck. Okay, so I just bolted the window regulator back in, loosely put these nuts on the back of there. We'll slide the window back down in a minute, but before I do that, before I button all this up, there's one bolt here for the motor. I need to get that. I forgot to get that. There we go. Plug the motor back in. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the door panel, hook it back up, go over there, switch on the power, and see if I can get it to come up a little bit, because When I rolled it all the way down is when I heard it pop out of place. So I'm gonna bring it up just a little bit, and then I'll lower the window back down. So let me go get the panel and plug it back in first. So I'm just gonna plug this right back up in there. There we go. I'm gonna let that dangle. Go turn this on. And see if I can hear anything going. Actually, let me go around the other side. It'll probably be easier. Just do it from the switch over there to make sure it's, instead of listening for it, I can watch it and see if it comes up. There we go. Yep, it's coming up. Let me get the window set back down in there and I'll test it the rest of the way. Alright, got her put back together. Got the window up. I need to clean it now. It's up, and I'm not relying on my suction cup to hold it up there. Probably gonna order a window regulator to go ahead and keep one on reserve, but I'm gonna call it a night. Thanks for watching Cars and Joshy. Josh out.